Okay, we are at Python programming. All right, so let's see what this thing is all about. Let me just make a little adjustment here. All right, so talk is cheap. Show me the code. Here, Dropbox hires away Google's Guano van Rossum, the father of Python, the original open source software development dictator for life, benevolent dictator for life, and author of Python. Guano van Rossum is leaving Google to join Dropbox, and startup will announce later today. That was from December 7, 2012. Let's see. Life is short, you need Python. Oh boy. Alright, Python programming. Now I've learned that to start up Python in the program I'm using, I have to open the terminal, Linux, okay, and type Python 3. So it is built in. Alright, let me see what's going on here now. It says P here. P oh boy. P equals 4 equal open bracket 4 comma 5 close bracket. Let me see what this is saying. X comma y is P. Okay, so it's like, it's somewhat like the x and y axis of a graph. X, what is x? It says 4. What is y? It says 5. I'm going to try that. So say P equals open bracket 4 comma 5 close bracket, enter. Alright, x comma space y equals P. So P is x and y. X, enter, I see 4. Y, enter, I see 5. Okay. Alright, there's another one here, data, but suppose I say Z. Z, enter. It says track back most recent call last file stdin. This is some code there, line 1 module name error. Alright, Z is not defined. Let's try a little thing here. I'm going to say A equals open bracket 3 comma 7 comma 16 close bracket. Just going to modify it a bit. Suppose I say x comma space y comma space z, just experimenting with it, equals A, enter. Okay, what is, I'm going to type Z. It gives me 16. X says 3. Y, I expect it to say 7. 7. Okay. So you could try something like this. Now, so can I copy and paste? Well, let's not bother with that. I'm going to say B equal, oh, let's suppose I say A equals open bracket 3 comma 7 comma 15 close bracket, enter. And instead of saying x, y, z equal A, I say A equals x comma y comma z, enter. And I say x, okay, it gives me 3, y, z, it gives me 7z, right. So I'm seeing that here, that it defines what x and y is, but what I did was to put the letter, like the p on the left, instead of saying x comma y equal p, I say p equal x comma y. And I say a equals 3, 7 and 15, then I say 8 x, y, z. Okay. So that's something interesting. So that is our first program there. Suppose I say 4 plus 2, enter, 6. Alright. 5 divided by 3, 5, oh, 5 divided by 3, enter. Okay, 1.667. Can do calculation as well. Suppose I say sine, open bracket, maybe it's in radians, 3, enter. Oh, suppose I say SINE then, space, oh, sine space open bracket, 3 close bracket, arrow again, SINE space open bracket 3 close bracket. Okay, so it doesn't really well, maybe it will do trigonometric functions, but not the way I put it. Say 6 minus 2, enter, that's 4. 2 minus 6, enter, that's negative 4. Okay. 3 multiplied by 5, well, 3 asterisk 5, enter. Ah, it's multiplication, it's 15. Okay, so these seem to be some of the basic things that you can do with Python. Let me see what this is saying. Alright, here I'm going to leave this for the next video, but let's look at it from now. It says data equal acme, comma 50, comma 91.1, comma open bracket 2012, 12, 21. And it says name, share, price, date. Oh, so name is acme, share 50, price is 91.1, date. Seems like the date, since it consists of more than one numbers separated by commas, you put it in brackets, round brackets, and then you type name, you will see acme, date. Alright, so it's defining some information here. In the next video, let us look at this exact example. I'm going to make some changes to it and see what happens, in order to learn more about this type of command in Python. You could, for example, write more than one numbers in brackets in addition to the one we're seeing in brackets here. Alright, so I'll see you in that next video.